Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to add a delivery date picker to your slide cart or cart drawer on Shopify. First, download the Flare app from the Shopify App Store. Once installed, open the Flare app and start the setup. In step 1, add to your theme. We're going to go to the slide cart card. Now the slide cart is the type of cart that slides out when you click the cart button in the top right, like this. If you have a cart page, which looks more like this, then you'll need to use the cart page block. A link for that guide video is below. If you do have a slide cart, click on the Add to Theme button on the slide cart card. This will open the Shopify theme editor, and you will see the app embed for our Flare app, Date Picker Cart Drawer, has been enabled. Now, if you go to your theme editor and test opening your cart slide drawer, you'll see that the delivery date picker appears above the checkout button. Now, you can save this to see it on your live site. Click Save in the top right of the theme editor. And you can now return to the Flare app. We're being asked, did it work as expected? Yes, we saw it, it works fine. And click Continue. Then, to see it on your live site, in your Shopify admin panel, hover over Online Store and click View Your Online Store. This will open up your live website. I'm going to open the slide cart or the cart drawer, and I can see that the delivery date picker is appearing as it was on the theme editor, and I'm able to use that to select a date and check out. Now, you can continue on with the setup in Flare as you successfully added the slide cart or cart drawer to your website. Thank you.